Hi guys, I got this box about a month ago and I thought today I'd do a video on it. And let's see what it has. You can grow fake ice cubes, make your own pH indicator, make your own lava lamp, and create gravity goo. Be amazing for toys ages 8 up, safety tested. Must be used under adult supervision. The contents right there. The activities again. And the stuff it has. pH indicator powder. pH indicator powder. 2 grams of it. 10 GMs right here of gravity goo powder. So you can't see that. And it says garbled marbles right there. It's hard to see it under the label. And there's a copyright. And let's open it. Okay, we have the test tubes and some paper. Some instruction booklets. More instructions. Some powder and tablets and a dropper. Then it's just this cardboard piece. And I'll put the bag aside. Okay. For this video, I think I'm probably going to do the gravity goo or the lava lamp. Okay, I've decided. For the first video, I'll be doing the gravity goo. Now I'll just try to find it. Okay, I'm back, and it turns out I can't find the English instruction booklet, but I'm just gonna check inside here since I can't find it anyway. So now I'm gonna take out the gravity goo one. Oh, first I gotta take off the cardboard. Okay. Here's the gravity goo one. And put the rest aside. Here's the booklet. At least hopefully it's the booklet. Okay. This is the gravity goo powder. Okay, what you'll need from the test tube. Glue. Okay. You need a blue scoop. Okay. I'll get all the stuff and be right back. Okay, I'm back and I got everything ready. So the first step is to fill 16 ounces of room temperature water into this cup. But since I don't have a 16-ounce cup, I'm just using 10 ounces, and then I'll use less of the powder. So first, measure out 1 scoop of gravity goo powder. pour it in. Okay. Now pour the liquid into the other cup. Okay. Stir it. Pour it again. Okay. I'm almost done pouring, and after I'm done pouring, I'll just let it sit for about half an hour, and then we'll come back. Now I'll just scoop it all into one cup. Now you might be wondering how this got so brown. I was mixing it when I noticed I forgot the food coloring. So then I went to get the food coloring. I reached for the closest one, so I got brown. I opened it up and poured it in, and then just mixed it in. And when it finally stopped mixing, I noticed that it was brown, and now I'm stuck with brown gloop. Now the process was pretty much at the beginning pouring constantly, then pouring and mixing a little bit, then pouring. So I'd grab a spoon and then mix it, and I'd pour it between the cups like I showed you. So now I'll just let it sit for about half an hour, then we'll come back. Okay, now it's done. It's taken a while, and this is what it looks like when it's done. And it's pretty jelly-like. Looks like the color changed a bit, and I think it's a success. So on the instructions after, it says to keep on pouring it after the 40 minutes. So and I've noticed that I think all the clumps of powder is now gone. So that's one thing that's changed, and it's become a lot more like jelly. Well, not jelly, but it's become more, how do you say, thick and oozy. So it's kind of like egg white. Have you ever seen egg white? It behaves kind of like egg white. So if I pour it, there's still a few blobs of powder in there, but overall I think it's a lot better after. And then it says right here that if you pour a bit out and then put it back up, it's supposed to keep on oozing out, but I don't think it's working. Maybe because I put the food coloring white, and maybe because it was more cream coloring. I don't know, maybe it's the amount of water or powder I added. I don't know, but it's not oozing out by itself. Well, not a lot. Yeah, it's not oozing out by itself. Maybe I'll keep on pouring it and I'll see if it does it. It's cool. I'll grab it. Yeah, it definitely feels like egg white too. It's a cool experiment, but I didn't get the results I expected. Okay, just for fun, I'm gonna dip my hand in it, since you guys also probably want to see that. It's very gooey. It's cold. That's what I can say. And it doesn't feel like any liquid or solid, so I don't know what this would classify as. Definitely not a gas. It tends to want to stick together with other bits of it. What happens if I grab it then do that? No. Nothing. Whoa. Did you see that? I'll do it again. Went back in. Can you see that? If I put a bit out. Okay. If I pour a bit out, it doesn't fall out and just will go back in with a little tiny push. See that? Now, of course, you want to get this, you can go to Mastermind Toys. That's where the receipt said it was from. And overall, I think this is a really cool experiment. This is, if you make this yourself, I do not advise you to pour it down a drain, as I think it clogs it. At least that's what it says. It says that you should dispose of it in a garbage can. Now, this is very cool. If you really want it, you can go get the set at Mastermind Toys. I think that's where the receipt. I got that from the gift receipt. And it's got other cool experiments that I will be doing in other future videos. And that's probably all for this video. If you want to see any other things, which you can comment down below which experiment here you want to see in the next video. Here, I'll show you the list. There's make your own lava lamp, garbled marbles, which is like Orbeez, pH fun, which is with the pH indicator, and jelly ice, disappearing jelly ice, which I think is the fake ice cube thing. So if you want to see any of those, there should be a list right here. And if you want to see it, and if you want to see another one of these experiments, please like and subscribe to see when I release it. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.